on Lambda function in Python. Uh, so in this session, we will deep dive into Lambda function, often called anonymous function in Python. By the end of this live, you will know exactly how to use Lambda function efficiently in your Python project. So our agenda is to what are the Lambda functions, syntax and basics, and we will do some coding. We will see some coding example, and we will see use cases and advantages. So, uh, first, what is Lambda function? So Lambda function are the smallest function, are smallest anonymous function defined using Lambda keyword. Unlike regular function, they don't need a name and are often used for a short and simple questions. So for this, the syntax was arguments and after that expression. So this is our syntax for Lambda function. So let's create one code for this one. So in this, we will create a function name as add two numbers. After that, we will create Lambda function add two lambda is equals to L. So this is our Lambda function. In this, first we have to write lambda. After that, our expression um, and our argument. After that, we have to write our expression. So this is the example of for addition of a two number. So after that, we will print this. So in this, we will pass argument which is 5. And after save this, we will run this code. And here we will got our output, which is 7. So this is the basic example how we can use a lambda function. So now we will do a simple arithmetic operation in which we will add 10 to a number. So in this, what we will do, we don't require this code. So in this only, we will just change the name, add 10 in this function also, add 10, and here we will write 10. Okay. After that, so after running this code, we will got output which is 15. So in lambda function, we can pass also multiple argument. So this is for the like single argument. We will see for multiple argument also. So we can reuse this def function in which and this function. Okay. We'll do one thing. We use this. We'll just change this one to multiply. Multiply and here we will pass two argument which is x and y, and then we will pass our arguments which is 3 comma 4, and here we also have to take x and y, so we have to pass return x comma y. After that, when we run this code, we got this output which is 12. So this one all are the basic example how we can use this lambda function. So we will see how we can use this lambda function in a list of a tuple. So in this we will we will sort a list of a tuple by the second element. So for that, first we have to create a list which is data in which we will pass tuple. And so this is our list. And after that, we will write the function, create a, not a function, create a variable, which is named as sorted data. And after that, we will write sorted. In this, we will pass our data, and in the key, we will write our lambda function. Lambda, in this, we will pass x. So after saving this file, we will got this one. Okay, so here we can do one thing. We will just change with 3 here and we change this one. Okay, again we will save this file and after that we'll print here. So now we will see and filter even number from a list. So this is the example for that. So for that we have to create a list which has numbers in which we will pass a number from 1 to 10, and after that we will create a variable even numbers is equals to list in which we use filter. In this we use lambda which is x comma x colon x is modulus double equals to 0, and after that we will print number. So this is our code for filter the even number from a given list using lambda function. So after that we will see like how we can use map in this. So for that again we can reuse this number function. So here what we will do, we will square each number in the list. So for that, what we have to do, we have to create a variable which is a square. In this, we will do list. After that, we will write map. After that, lambda, which is x colon x to the power 2. And after that, we will write number. After that, we will print this square. So this is the example how we can use map with the help of lambda and filter also. After that, we will see how we will use reduce function with a lambda. So in this, we will write a code to find the product of all number in the list. So for that, we have to import libraries, which is from functional tool, we will import reduce. So we again we will reuse this number. After that, we will write product, which is equals to reduce. In this, we will pass lambda, and we will pass x comma y, two values. And after that, we'll write this code. So after that, we will print produce. So this is the example how we can use a reduce with the help of a lambda. So we can also use conditional statement, like if we want to check whether given number is even or odd. For that, what you have to do, just you have to write simple check even odd. In this, we will use lambda. So after that, we will print this. So this is the example how we can use a conditional statement with the help of a lambda. So in this, what we will do, we first create one variable which is check even odd. After that, we will pass one argument. In this, we will check if x is divisible by 2 and the remainder equals to 0, then it's even, otherwise it's odd. After that, after running this code, we will got our output. So here we will pass 4, which is our output, which will be even. So after that, we will see the combination of a map and a filter in a lambda. So again, we use same number. So in this, what we will do, we will find the square of even number. So in this, we will both use our map function and filter also. So filter is used to filter like even numbers. Even square is equals to list. In this, we will do map. After that, we will write lambda, which is x equal of 2 filter. In this, we use lambda x is divisible by 2 and double equals to 0. After that, we will pass number. And after this, we will print this even square. So this is the code how we can use map and a filter both with the help of a lambda. So in this first we will filter the even number with the help of a filter. After that we will take their square. And so after that we will see like what all use cases and advantages of a lambda function. So for the use cases of lambda function, it is used to like sort and disposable function, which is perfect for one-liners. After that, we can use for data pre-processing like filtering, mapping, or reducing data. We can also use this in a functional programming, which is great for use with the high order functions like map, filter, reduce. And it is simple to like simplify callbacking using in a framework like a Flask for a routing. And for advantages of a lambda function, so it's a concise and readable, like we have to write less code for a simple operations. And it's anonymous, like we don't need to name a temporary function for this. And for third one is integration, so it will work seamlessly with a Python function programming tool. So this all we cover what is lambda function and their syntax and multiple real world example. Remember, lambda function are the great tool for concise coding, especially for quick operations. If you enjoy this session, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorial. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about upcoming live sessions. Um, Thank you for joining the session. Keep coding, keep exploring, and see you next time. Thank you, everyone. So this is all from my side. If you have any doubt, you can drop in chat box. Okay, thank you guys for joining the session. We will meet in our next YouTube live session. Thank you.